Cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the dampener cord from the glove box. Push in on the sides of the glove box to release the stops and lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1109 filter into the housing. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the dampening cord. After lifting the glove box, push in on the sides to get the two securing tabs behind the frame. This will secure the glove box. Close the glove box.